Hi, this is Lily Cotilla, the psychotherapist at Iba Green. The thing about pain, when people turn to opiates to help assuage the pain, is that they are no longer as effective as they once were in the beginning, as most of us are aware. When pain sets in psychologically, the body pulls out of that space. It retracts. It's almost like there's a predator there and the rest of the body goes into hiding, pulling away energetically, pulling away circulatorily, unbeknownst to the conscious mind. And when people are in pain, it makes sense that they would want to rest or not move. I'm not talking about the day after surgery kind of pain, okay? I'm talking about ongoing pain that on some days is a dull ache and on other days can be quite intense. The key is to try your best to keep living and to keep going with routine and to keep motility and movement and blood flow to that area, rather than be delicate and protect it and keep it immobile, thus decreasing macrophages, lymphocytes, osteoblasts, whatever aspect of the biological system is needed in order to aid with healing. The more the circulatory system moves, the more blood flow the source of pain gets, the more rapidly it will either heal, and or if it's just unfortunately a dull pain that you live with on a regular basis, your brain can actually switch platforms and forget about it for a short duration in time. And participating or engaging in an activity brings the mental focus elsewhere rather than it being fixated on the pain and sending you pain signals that you are in pain. The distraction from the brain into another activity. Clearly I'm doing something, I'm in the middle of something, and some people I don't think have the ability to step outside themselves and see that someone is in the middle of a process. An interruption and statement of ego must be made. So anyway, that's a sideline thought on flatline humanity. In any case, keep the body mobile. And I sound like a teenage boy with my voice cracking. And it's not always easy to do because I do get pain. And being a therapist, even if I didn't personally get pain, people with empathy can really feel and step into your shoes and have a sense of what pain is like. So keep this in mind the next time you wake up and your back is stiff. Prevention is ultimately key, right? To prevent it from settling in by keeping mobile. But once pain does set in, to not stop life from happening, and it will increase the happiness level. It will increase the ability to function, the bettering of interpersonal dynamics if you don't let pain swallow you in, and energetically even by pulling out of that location of the body on one hand, you trick your brain and you think you don't feel it as much, and yet the healing doesn't happen. So you want to keep the neural circuitry to the pain. Let's say I have knee pain. It might even be helpful for you to help your brain locate the source of pain from the outside, not just the inside. So by bringing warmth, not just of a heating pad, but touch and movement, and bringing your brain's attention to the source of pain manually from the outside. So keep moving, try and keep in with routine. Remind your body from the outside in where the healing needs to happen. Remind your body not to pull out of that location of pain and literally let a cooler temperature set in. You can do mindful practices and imagery practices of bringing healing to the source of pain. And as much as possible, keep moving and keep up with life. Okay. I feel for you.